guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my cave. And recently just finished renos and switched the cave around. So without further ado, let's get on to the cave tour. Show you guys my cave. This is my bed. I'm not the best bed maker, but I made my bed. It's a skull and roses. That's pretty much what it has. And then on my bed I have my home sweet haunted home pillow. I have my cat pillow. I have my gnome. I have my little skeleton dude over there, my unicorn. Her name is Skittles. I've had her for years. Some red sequin pillows. My Jason pillow right there. I got some more red sequin pillows, a black and silver sequence pillow, and then this big black sequence pillow. So that's my bed, and then I have this red fluffy blanket that just sits like that. The cats like to lay on it though. Nothing too exciting about it, but that's my bed. Over here on the wall I have all my pin collection because I love like horror pins and just pins in general. So here are some of my pins. I got a button from American Psycho. I have the Freddy Krueger one, Vamp Life. I have a Homer Simpson zombie one. I have Children of the Corn, Isaac. That's his name from Children of the Corn. I have one from Jaws. I have my Sam from Trick or Treat. I have like this little ghost one. I have this one, Oh My Goth. I have a Trick or Treat one, etc. So those are my pin collection. And up here I have some of my horror tree decorations. They're not just hung them up like this. So I have Leatherface, Jason, I have Freddy Krueger, I have Tiffany, I have Jason, Michael Myers, Billy, my two Terrifier pins that I got. Two different ones, which are awesome. Over here I have some more exciting things. I have my Chucky doll. He has his knife right there. I have a Chucky Funko Pop. I have a Chucky mug. I have my Tiffany doll. She has her knife right there. So they just chill out together. I have my Pennywise plush doll. I have my Camp Crystal Lake sign. I have my Jason doll that my mom and I made. And he has his little machete right there. Here I have a lot of my skeleton decor. So I have my skeleton light right there, which does turn on. I have my little skeleton head right there. It's actually a Ouija board skeleton. I got that for Christmas. It says yes, no, and then it has like the Ouija like imprints on it and stuff. It's pretty cool. There's two things on the shelf right there. Then down below it I have my skeleton doll, my skeleton candle, a skeleton decor item, my candle holder. It's like a little red spike. I have my skeleton lantern. It does turn on. I have my flowers in my vase or vase, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool. I have my picture frame with a little skull head and a moth. And then down below it I have my candle holder. I actually made this. Pretty easy to make. And then down below it I have my cauldron. I have my Harry Potter little pot and stand. Because it's really cute. And then I have my Ouija board. This actually does turn on, but the batteries are dead, and this actually moves around. And then I have my skeleton dude. He does turn on too, but I need to change the batteries for him. So he just chills there in his coffin. And then on top of him, there's a little light that I have there. I just turned it on because it looks really cool with it on. So, and then I have my Ouija panchet. I always have a hard time pronouncing what it is, so you guys get what it is. So I got that, and then I have my welcome sign. This actually used to be on my door, but now it's there. It just says welcome, and it has a bunch of like potion bottles or jars, whatever you want to call it. I just call them potion bottles. So let's just look at this one more time before we move on. So that's what I have all right there. And then over here I have my candle. It lights up, as you can see, and I put it in my little skeleton candle holder. He has like his crown, and he just sits on a book, which is, this is all attached. Oh, I just dented that. Nice one. Oh well, it just kind of gives it like, hey, it's melting. I put on this little Halloween theme thing on the TV, so it's not like a black TV. And then over here I have my PlayStation 4 because I'm a gamer. I like to play video games. My go-to video game right now is Fortnite. I can't get enough of that game, but sometimes it does annoy the hell out of me, not gonna lie. So on the floor here I have my horror carpet. It has Chucky, Jason, Billy, Freddy Krueger, Michael, Pennywise, and Leatherface, and then Pennywise's balloon. Can't forget the red balloon. I have this little red carpet here, fluffy carpet. Then over here I have another red carpet, a fluffy one. Very nice. Over here I have my skeleton dude. He's a little prisoner actually. Look at his chains and his little like handcuffs and stuff. So it just kind of hangs out right there. I actually put some red curtains. They used to be black, but more red in here. They used to be black, so I got red ones. So, and then on top of my curtains, I have a beware sign. And then I have my skeleton lady hanging right there. So she just kind of hangs out with her boyfriend over here. So they just chill together. Step on the bed because I need to show you guys up here. And then on this shelf I keep all of my blind bag mystery mabobs that I get at like Spirit Halloween every year. So I got Tiffany, Jack, I think that's either Shock or Lock. I can't remember which one it is, but it's one of them. I have Evil Teddy from Nightmare Before Christmas, Pennywise, Michael Myers, Jason, and another Tiffany. So I keep them all there. These ones were all glued down, but they fell off, so I just kind of put them against the wall. On top I have my Halloween, The Curse of Michael Myers autograph. And then I have the actor's knife, and it's signatured, so that's really cool. And then I have my Michael Myers plush, which he does turn on. He like waddles all over the place, which is really funny. And then I have my Funko Pop Michael Myers there with him just chilling out. I actually just bought a Michael Myers figure, so he'll be like sitting right here. I just haven't displayed it yet, but he'll be right there eventually. And then I have my Annabelle doll and her case. My mom actually made this for me. And she put a light there, which is really cool, so it can like light up at night. If you guys didn't know about Annabelle, she's actually a Raggedy Ann doll. And then on the side of her, there's a Bible. And then she's just sitting on like a chair that my mom made. On the side, there's like a lock to keep her in there. And then a little card. It says the devil, which the devil is inside Annabelle. And then there's a warning. Open her or she's gonna haunt your ass. So that's so she just chills up here. And then I have my autograph from Christina Ricci. My friend actually got this for me, which is really nice of him. So she just hangs up right there. And then I got my Fan Expo photo op when I went to meet Norman Reedus from The Walking Dead. I love him so much. He's such an awesome dude. And I can't say that a lot about celebrities because most celebrities are assholes, but he was such a sweetheart and it was the best day of my life. Such an awesome dude. I think this was in like 2017 when I met him. And over here I got more exciting things. So I got my Sam doll that my mom and I made. I got my Sam Funko Pop. He's actually unmasked, which is cool. And he just chills right beside himself. I got my Leatherface plush. I got my Regan from The Exorcist little doll. She's so little and cute. She just chills there. I have my Nightmare Before Christmas characters, Sally, Oogie Boogie, and Jack. They all chill together. The only thing I'm missing is Zero. So I gotta look for a little Zero plush. I got my little Batmobile car. I have my Jack Skeleton little mug, whatever. It's just really cute. I got a Beetlejuice plush. That's actually a dog toy. Watch. And then over here I have all of my Art the Clown decor and plushies. And I actually just bought another Art the Clown decor item, but I haven't put it here yet because I want to show you guys it first. So it will be there eventually. So I have a sticker in there and then another sticker on the side of it. I have some Art the Clown buttons, which is really cool. I have my Terrifier VHS collector's box. That's what pretty much came in it. This, the little patch there came in it, and then this lanyard here came in it. So I just kind of kept it right there. And then I have my Art the Clown figure right there with his bag. All his weapons are in there so I don't lose them. My Art the Clown Funko Pop, my other Art the Clown Funko Pop, Art the Clown plushie with his sunflower shades on, and then I have another Art the Clown plush without his shades on, and then I have my lanyard around him. That is my Art the Clown little area, and then up here I have my creepy doll on her bike. She actually does pedal and move around and like say stuff. It's pretty creepy, but I love her so much. So she just chills there. I have my Vampria doll. I have my zombie girl figure. They're actually like a collectible. So I have her. I have my other little Vampria sitting there beside her. I have some of my Monster High dolls all right there. I actually want to get more Monster High dolls, but these are just the ones I have for now. I have Gizmo. He turns on, makes a bunch of noise. I have my Voodoo doll right here. It's actually an incense thing where the smoke comes out of its eyes. I have my baby Yoda. He's so cute. I have my ghost face mask that I did make. I have my Living Dead doll of Billy. I actually did make her. I actually want to do a video on her eventually. So she's pretty cool. And then I have my little Shops of Horror Audrey, the little flesh-eating plant. So that's what's on this shelf. So you guys seen all of my shelves, all of my junk I have all up here. And then going back down here, there's my cat. I have my lamp. I actually did make this. I painted this thing right here and then glued it on. And then I put little skeleton heads in here, which they used to be flowers in here, but I switched them to little like skeleton heads. Little skeleton heads that I put in there. I put this spiderweb basket that sits my lamp in. My controllers, my little nightstand thing. And then I have my Andy doll. I got him from a thrift store. And he's really, really old, so he just chills there. And then I have a shelf right here. I have the other mother from Coraline. It sucks because she doesn't like sit up by herself. She just like eats shit every time. So I have to like put her like against the shelf. And she just chills right there. And then I have a bunch of like miniature Funko Pops. I have a lot of them actually. And then I have my Nightmare on Elm Street sign. I have some of my Funko Pops. Annabelle's up there with her Miss Me sign. It always falls down. And then Shocker Lock, and then Pennywise. That's what I have so far. That one's empty. So more room to like put shit. So that's what I have so far. That is my Funko Pops. And then over here I have my skeleton girl chilling here. My mom put a spider in her hair. It's just green. So she chills right there. I have my creepy clown doll. And then I have my bride here and my groom there. They just chill out here. So that's what I have all here. And then my door, I have an A for Amber. And then over here, I have my miniature cauldron, my 2 coffins. I actually just bought a coffin, but I haven't put it up yet. So they will display my Harry Potter potions. So I have Dragon's Blood, and I forgot this one. These are from the Harry Potter potion collection. I have like 2 more to do. And then here I have my other coffin. I have a miniature cauldron again. Some of the Harry Potter little like pigments that are leftovers. They're all full. And then I have like an empty jar from the Harry Potter. I just kept it. And then their little knick-knacky things that are in here. These are actually in the coffin. I bought it like that. They're all glued in. So there's like a crystal, a little skull head with like gold flowers, and then a bunch of books. It says potions, and then like a little potion bottle with like a little skull on it. I have my little photo frame here. I just put like that skeleton in it. Here I have my mirror. And then I have some of my perfumes. This is not all of my perfumes. I only put like very few out. Candle holders. And I use them as like perfume bottle holders instead. So this is my zombie hand. And then I have a witch one right here. And I also use it as a perfume bottle holder. And then I have my skeleton lady. I've had this for a few years now. She is so cool looking. I love her so much. And then I have my IKEA dress thing. It goes around beds and like dressers and stuff. It used to be a lot longer, but the band around it got like all stretched out and shit, so I had to take it off. So now it just looks like this. And it just hangs up near my dresser. Just like that. You guys did enjoy this little room tour. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!